Four Seasons RV Sale is back and bigger than ever before. Come see an incredible selection of travel trailers, fifth wheels, and destinations. We're bringing more of everything down to the showroom. We have over 75 different units on display with bigger discounts and even more giveaways. That's right, we're giving away over $500,000 in cash and prizes. This month alone, we've given away over $280,000. And that's not all. With every new RV purchase, you're gonna get to spin the Four Seasons prize wheel, where you can win a minimum $500 and up to $5,000 cash back instantly. Don't miss out on Southern Saskatchewan's largest RV sale, where we have all of North America's top-selling brands under one roof. We're open daily at the International Trade Centre until February 26th. Check out all the details online at fourseasonsales.com.